Okay, so we have this quadrilateral. We need to describe the rotation. So I'm just going to pick a point. If I pick point Z, it moved half a circle. So this is a 180-degree rotation. About point W. Which is located at 1, 1. And whenever you go 180 degrees, the shape will be upside down. So it's Z is at the bottom, now Z is at the top. Like it's got to be upside down in order to be 180 degrees. That's kind of the easiest one to see. If it's upside down, it's 180. And then, you know, if it were facing one of the other ways, you would just have to figure out, was it 90 or was it 270? So 180 is kind of the easiest one. It's always going to be upside down. The next slide says, what's the point of rotation? We said that it was point, I think W, and it was at 1, 1.